What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today, we're just going to talk about how Baby Doge Swap is growing massively and the big stuff we got coming up next with Baby Doge Swap. So, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Go ahead and follow my other channel. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So, we're going to talk about the technical analysis after everything's said and done for both Baby Doge and Bitcoin. So, first of all, let's talk about Baby Doge Swap. So over here, you can see this is the Twitter for Baby Doge Swap. First of all, look, there's a lot of different cryptos joining the ecosystem here in Baby Doge. So this is Chirply. This is going to be another crypto that is now live for farming and swapping in Baby Doge Swap. So yes, it's not the biggest crypto out there. It's got 57.1K followers here on Twitter. But as I said, it's not the biggest crypto out there, but still they're getting listed to a lot of different exchanges. A lot of different people are tapping in with Chirply, so a lot of people are looking at this. Me personally, I don't own any. I'm not doing any of these trading pairs or farming, but I think that Baby Doge Swap is growing huge, and with all these new cryptos coming to Baby Doge Swap, I do think there's a big possibility that we're going to continue to get more and more different type of things like play to earn type games. We're going to be getting a lot of different things, NFT coins and stuff like that. So a lot of different projects are going to be joining in on Baby Doge Swap, and this is just one of the many that we are going to be getting on the Baby Doge Swap. And also, if you look at the APRs compared for Baby Doge Swap and Pancake Swap, you can actually see Baby Doge Swap is giving you a higher return on your investment. So this is really big, actually. If you see down here, 7.48% for the Bitcoin BTCB and BNB. If you look at over here, you can actually see BTCB BNB is 125%. So look, this one down here at 7.48%, it's the same pair up here, and you get 125%. You can see this pair right here, BTCB BUSD, and we don't necessarily have that pair, but we do have a BUSD pair on here, BNB BUSD 195%, whereas this one's only 8.23%. And you can actually see this is the same thing for all of these. We're actually giving larger percentages for every single farming pool, like as compared to Pancake Swap. So yeah, Baby Doge Swap is growing massively and is definitely doing a lot of different things better than a lot of these other swaps. Now you also got to look at it like this. We are paying less fees as well, so there's always good stuff there. And also, we're getting a lot of attention from stuff like Binance Smart Chain Daily. And remember that during the last AMA that they had, they pretty much mentioned that they're going to be rolling out like stronger marketing campaigns. So they're going to be getting more and more like market savvy, actually. So this is definitely going to be a really good thing for Baby Doge Swap. And I just want to see how this is all going to start rolling in. But hey, the faster it rolls in, the better it'll be for all of us. But anyways, yeah, Chirply is now on Baby Doge Swap. They've been talking about that a lot lately. But let's go ahead and look at some of the new stuff that we got here on Baby Doge Swap. So yesterday we looked at all this, but look now, we have Chirply here, and you can also earn Shine here. And there's not much money right now in Shine, $285 of total liquidity. APR right now at 857. Chirply actually over here, BNB to Chirply, you can actually see 13.2K liquidity, and that's 654% APR. But notice how all these other liquidity pairs, they're like really starting to go huge right now. Like a lot of money is getting inside of these liquidities. So you can see $440,000 liquidity here. This one just now increased, and you can actually see this BNB to Baby Doge is at 872,000, and that's 297%. But the most significant one here is this one right here, USDT to BUSD for the stablecoin pair. So it just now went down slightly, just a little bit, but still, that's a lot of money. 1,498,280 or something is still going down, but yeah, 276. So yeah, 1,498,276, which is 34% APR. That's actually pretty big. That's the largest one that we have here. So you can see these APRs are really, really big for Baby Doge. So they're huge APRs. Now, not only do we have these humongous APRs here with the Baby Doge, with the farming, look over here at the pools. So when you look at the pools, you can see there's a lot staked over here as well. A lot of these pools have a lot staked, but notice that we're actually starting to add more and more and more as Baby Doge Swap continues to grow. Now you can earn MSPG. You can stake MSPG. You can earn over here Grove Token GVR. You can earn Grove GVR. You can earn that over here 52% APR. That's a lot. There's already 6.5 trillion staked. So that's a lot. And you can earn sweep by staking Baby Doge. And there's already a lot actually staked. A lot of Baby Doge is actually staked here. That's 17.9 trillion Baby Doge actually staked on this one pair, on this one pool. So that's 104 APR. That's actually pretty big. So yeah, this is 17.9 trillion baby Doge staked there. Now, there's a lot of other pairs or a lot of other pools like this. I keep calling them pairs because I was looking at the farming pairs. But there's a lot of other pools here. Over here, you can see you can earn sweep by staking Baby Doge, which is going to be our 82% APR, and that's 5.6 trillion inside total stakes here for Baby Doge. And you can kind of see what's happening here. Like a lot of people are staking their Baby Doge. A lot of people are earning some good rewards here. 83% APR right here for this. You can earn sweep by staking Baby Doge again for this pool as well. They got another pool that's kind of similar to this one. And then they have this. You can earn burnt by staking Baby Doge. And you can kind of see the drift here. This one's actually the biggest one on the pools. You can actually see you can earn MSPG by staking Baby Doge. And Baby Doge is 32.2 trillion Baby Doge inside of this particular one. So there's a lot of potential here with Baby Doge, and I think it's going to continue to grow huge. We just have to, we just have to let things play out, and we just have to let the Baby Doge team market it how they're wanting to market it. But anyways, let's go ahead and check out some of the other stuff. So the prices of Baby Doge has actually been a little bit stagnant today. We have had some big drops and big jumps today, but ultimately we're only up 0.3% in the last hour, or up 0.3% in the last 24 hours. So there's really not that much movement right now. Like we had those ups and downs, but ultimately we just came right back to where we were earlier on in the day. So we're still working our way up here to the 1250 resistance. Right now we're at 1213 and we're working our way up to this 1250 resistance. So eventually I hope we can get there. But if not, I'm really not too worried about it. Baby Doge is a long-term project. Really not looking at it to do big, huge numbers in the short term. But look, if we were to continue this pullback, it's not going to really pull back too much. We could see it pulling back down to this red less demand area, which is at 1140, 1150. And like I said in my previous videos, if it goes lower, then this area down here where we add another zero on to Baby Doge could be a possibility for Baby Doge. And then the bullish scenario would bring us all the way up here around 1400. So that's really what we're looking at here for the bearish bullish scenarios for Baby Doge. Like I said, not much has changed on Baby Doge since yesterday. But for Bitcoin, a lot is actually starting to change. So you can actually see we had a high activity area expected for Bitcoin, but it was actually a high selling activity. So since it was high selling activity, we dropped below the support that we're talking about yesterday. We were really trying to stay above 19.5K, but we really dropped below that. Now we're at 19,444. And yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's probably going to get rejected again. And if that happens, then you can see the next support for Bitcoin being 19K flat, $19,036. Or you could see it going down just a little bit more to this next support line. And the next support line is pretty much bringing us down to 18.8K. And then eventually all the way back down to about 18.4K. And then at the bottom, I'm expecting, not the bottom, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to eventually hit down here 18.2K. So I'm expecting that these supports to pretty much be met with Bitcoin. Over time, I think it's probably going to end up doing that and going down a little bit further after that. But hey, I keep talking about this because I really believe this is probably what's going to happen. Even if you go ahead and you look at the 4-hour chart, you can still see, yeah, we're oversold, but we're still probably going to have a little bit more selling here. This is an oversold area, and it is showing here on the oscillator that it's oversold, but we could still see some more selling for Bitcoin. And I'm really still expecting for Bitcoin to pull all the way back down to 18.2K. That's where we have the most support here for Bitcoin. So I'm really expecting us to go back down to the support level. Even though it does show that we're oversold, we could easily continue to sell down just because of that. And also another thing you want to look at, it does say we're bullish by 60% in the last 24 hours. So it kind of gives a little bit of a weird perspective, but still, all in all, I still believe that it's still bearish overall. But hey, this is all I got for y'all today. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to my other channel. And as always, I'll be back with another video.